From Columbia, South Carolina, this is SGTV News 4. I'm Ward Jollis.
And I'm Spencer Buckler. President Kaslan and the university's Future Planning Committee are still exploring different options for the fall semester. In an interview with the daily Gamecock, Kaslan said the exact date for a decision is still up in the air.
This is not my timeline, this is the virus's timeline. So if we have to delay that decision until June, we'll be prepared to do that as well.
USC plans to be flexible, saying that they will accommodate students that are high risk if classes return to normal in the fall. It is still unknown if faculty that are high risk will have to return to campus to teach if classes are in person. In the interview, Kaslan also said that there should be a difference in tuition if classes remain online. He assured that the health of people at USC was his number one priority over the financial well-being of the university. They expect to make a decision around May 15th and no later than June 15th. In Gamecock athletic news, women's basketball guard Tyisha Harris has been drafted by the Dallas Wings with the 7th pick in the WNBA draft. Harris will join former teammates Kayla Davis and Alicia Gray in Dallas.
South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster ordered the reopening of public boat landings and waterways today in his first attempt to return some normal activities to the state. Some other South Carolina lawmakers are urging McMaster to reopen beaches next. This comes after DHEC reported that 67% of South Carolinians diagnosed with coronavirus have since recovered from the disease. While the governor is still urging residents to continue social distancing for now, he's offering encouraging words in regards to reopening the state soon, saying that he expects the South Carolina economy to be buzzing by the end of June. 163 new cases of coronavirus were reported in the Palmetto State today, bringing the total to 4,086. 116 people have died.
Yesterday, President Trump outlined phases for reopening states once the coronavirus cases start declining. The guidelines only apply to states where cases have been on a downward trajectory for 2 weeks and where health providers are able to treat all coronavirus patients. The president said the states that have met the criteria for the first phase could begin the process of easing social distancing measures today. And today, Texas Governor Greg Abbott announced a plan to reopen the state. Plans to restart business won't come until April 27th. Abbott stressed that these plans will be guided by the advice of healthcare experts. The state has had over 1 million unemployment claims in the past 4 weeks.
The Chinese city of Wuhan, where the coronavirus outbreak originated, reported a 50% increase in total coronavirus deaths on Friday, bringing the new total to over 4,600. The increase of almost 1,300 fatalities is raising even more concerns among other world powers, who have become increasingly skeptical that China may be underreporting its total coronavirus deaths. Wuhan officials say that the increase was due to revised figures from multiple different sources, and that many coronavirus deaths from home had also not previously been reported. This comes the same day as a new report from Chinese officials saying that the economy of the country shrank nearly 7% in the first 3 months of 2020, ending an almost half-century-long period of economic growth for the nation. Some COVID-19 patients who are receiving treatment with an experimental drug called remdesivir have been recovering quickly, even going home from the hospital after just a few days. While the drug has not been approved by the FDA yet, the National Institute of Health is running trials of several experimental treatments of coronavirus. The drug remdesivir is among them. So far, the coronavirus has infected over 2.2 million people worldwide and has claimed the lives of over 150,000.
The Dow gained 704 points, or a little under 3% today. It's currently 64 degrees outside, clear skies, with a low of 60 tonight. The high for tomorrow is 78 degrees, partly cloudy, with a low of 48. From Columbia, South Carolina, I'm Spencer Buckler.
And I'm Ward Jollis. This is SGTV News 4.